Hi guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asking SBI class means 2022. So in the question they have given a tank contains 80 liter mixture of milk and water in which ratio was 4 is to 1 respectively. So in one tank is there, in that 80 liter of mixture is there, mixture of milk and water is there. So in that ratio of milk to water is 4 is to 1. So you just note down here info. A, in a tank milk to mixture means in a two, it is a milk mixture means milk and water. So ratio is 4 is to 1. So we'll just note here 80 liter mixture. So in that milk to water ratio is 4 is to 1. So first info that is one. So after that what they went 20 liter mixture was taken out. So means after 60 liter was there, in that 20 liter mixture is taken out and 24 liter milk was replaced by it. So 20 liter mixture is taken out from this 80 liter, and after that what 20 liter milk is replaced. Now again 28 liter new mixture was removed to get a final mixture. Means again 28 liter mixture is removed to get final mixture. We need to find the final quantity of water. So initially it was 80 liter mixture. So in the first, so after what they did, 20 liter mixture taken out. 20 liter mixture taken out in the second step. So in the third step, again 24 liter milk was replaced by it. 24 liter milk added in the third step. So in the fourth, what? Now 28 liter mixture was removed. Mixture removed. So remove to get a final mixture. We have to find the water in the final mixture. So these are the steps. Initially 80 liter mixture was there. In that milk to water was 4 is to 1. After that what they have did 20 liter mixture they have taken out, and they have added 24 liter milk. And after the what they again did 28 liter mixture removed. So after for doing all this step we need to find the quantity of water in the final mixture, means after doing all this. So we start one by one. So by we'll consider step 1. So 80 liter mixture was there. So milk to water is 4 is to 1. So 80 liter in it. Milk to water is 4 is to 1. So in 80 liter 4 parts are of milk and 1 part of is water. So total parts is 5. So how can we find the milk is how much? So we can write milk as, so individual parts divided by total parts into how much it is their total quantity. So this much will be milk present. So we can do this 4 by 5. Okay, so it is 16. So it is 64 liters. So individual part divided by total part into how much quantity it is there, it will be milk. Similarly for water also we will find. So individually water is milk is 4 parts and water is 1 part. So individual part divided by total part into total quantity is 80 liters. So it will be 16 liters. So 80 liter is there, in that they have mentioned of 4 is to 1. So milk is 64 and water is 16. So by here also it is 16 is 1 part. 16 into 4 is 64. So milk is a 4 part and water is of 16 part. So how we found individual parts divided by total parts and into total quantity. It will come the how much in quantity it is there. So milk individual part is 4 and total part is 4 plus 1 is 5, and to total how much it is there 80. So 5 ones are 5, so 64 we have got. Similarly for water. So this is the initial. So after that, what they have mentioned, 20 liter mixture taken out. So step 2 will be 20 liter mixture taken out. So, and one more thing, when you just, I'm just giving example. If it is one mixture, here their ratio is 1 is to 2. If it takes small part, here will be also ratio a by b. So if it is there, if it is a milk mixture, so milk and water are in the ratio a is to b. If you take a small part outside, there also will be ratio a is to b. So any mixture you can, I'm just in example giving for milk mixture. You can take for sugar, a sugar mixture, salt mixture. For that also it will be same. If it is a is to b, if you take small part outside, there will be also a is to b. So how much we removed here? 20 liter mixture. So initially it is 4 is to 1. Once we remove 20 liter, in that also 4 is to 1. So here also milk to water will be 4 is to 1. So if initially it is 4 is to 1. If you take some part outside, there also it will be 4 is to 1. So for here we can find. So here 20 liter is there. So 20 liter we have taken out. So how here milk, for milk we will find. So individual for milk is 4 and total is 4 plus 1 5. So how much we removed here? 20. So it be 16. So for water will be 1 by 5 into 20. So it will be 5 ones are 5 fours are, so it will be 4. So 20 liter mixture we have taken out. So in that, in the both will be, so just I explained, if you take small quantity also, if it is 100 liter, if you taken 20 liter or any liter, it is independent. 1 liter, 2 liter, in that also what milk to water ratio will be same. So it is 4 is to 1. So by using the ratio, the formula of individual parts divided by total into the how much we removed, it will become the quantity. So 16 liter milk is removed and 4 liter water is removed. So we can, yeah, we can write here. So 20 liter removed. So after removing 20 liter, how much milk will be there? Initially it was in the 64. So after removing 20 liter means it will be 64 minus 16. So it will be, okay, it will be 48. Okay, it will be 48. And water will be, so initially it was 16. After that it is 4. So it is 12. So here total mixture will be now 48 plus 12 will be 60. So initially it was 80 liter. So in that milk was 64 liter, water was 16 liter. So 64 plus 16 is 80. So what we did, 20 liter we removed. In that milk to water was 4 is to 1. So milk was 16 and water was 4. So we removed 20 liter. So 64 minus 16 is 48 and 16 minus 4 is 12. So from 80 we removed 60. So 80 minus 20 is 60. So 48 it was there. So 12. 42 plus 12 is 60. So total mixture is 60 after removing 20 liter mixture. So step 3 is up to second we have done. Next we have did 24 liter milk added. So step 3 is 24 liter milk added. If we add 24 liter milk means what will be the now quantity? So milk is 48. So 48 plus 24. So it will be, so it will be 72. Okay, 40, 60, yes, it is 72. And water will remain unchanged because only milk is added. So water will be, still it will be 12. So in the third step, 24 liter milk added. So only milk will be changed. So milk is added. So milk, how it will be 24 liter means 48 plus 24 will be 72. Water remain unchanged, only milk is added, that's why. So here what ratio will become? Milk to water. So milk is 72, water is 12, so 6 is to 1. So after adding 24 liter milk, the ratio will become milk is 72, water is 12, so 6 is to 1. So after adding 24 liter, ratio is 6 is to 1. So up to third step we have done now. So fourth step is 24 liter mixture removed. So after this 24 liter removed, and after adding 24 it is 28 liter mixture removed. So after adding 24 liter milk, ratio has become 6 to 1. So next we will solve step 4 in the 28 liter mixture removed. Step 4, 28 liter mixture removed. Okay, so 28 liter mixture removed. Okay, so milk to water ratio is 6 is to 1. Milk is to water is 6 is to 1. Okay, after adding 24 liter, it was how much? 84. So initially it was 60, so 24 we added. So it will be 60 plus 24 is 84. 72 plus 2 will be also 84. So 84. So here quantity is 84. Means here it will total will become 84. And we removed here how much? 28. So here total quantity up to here will be 84. So I will just write here total mixture will be 84. Since it was 60, we had 24 liters, so 60 plus 24 is 84, or from here also 72 plus 12 is 84. So 84 it is there mixture, total mixture has become. And yeah, after 84 we have removed a 28 liter mixture we removed. So milk to water ratio 6 to 1. So how much we can find milk as? So individual part is 6, and total will be milk plus water is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. And how much total is there? 84. Okay, it's not 84, I think. Yeah, we need to find the how much removed. So how much removed means we are finding for removed. We are not finding total how much quantity. 28 we have removed. So from 28 we need to find. So it will be 7 1 7 4. So it is 24, and water is 1 by 7 into 28, it will be 4. So 28 we removed. So means how much milk will get removed? 24, and water will get removed 4. So 24 plus 4 is 8. So 28 liter removed. In that milk is removed 24 liters and water is removed 4 liter. Okay. So yeah, it is 4. So next it is 84 liter was there. So 28 removed means how much it will be there? 56 liters. It will be 56 liters, and here ratio will also be 6 is to 1. So you call this as step 5. So it was 84 and 24 liter is removed means how much it will be there? 56 liter, and here milk to water is 6 is to 1. So here 24 liter removed means it is 24 of milk and 4 of water. We need to find the at last how much will be how much water will be there. So here also we will find milk and water. So here milk will be 6 by 7 into 56. So it will be 6 into 8 is 48, and water will be, so individual by total 1 by 7 into 56, so it will be 8 liters. And so at last how much will be there, after doing all steps, milk will be 48 liters and water will be 8 liters. So initially it was 80 liters. After that we removed the 20 liters of mixture and 24-liter milk we added, and 28 liter mixture we removed. After doing all this, final quantity of water in the final means, after doing all this, how much water is there? 8 liter. So our answer will be 8 liter. So in this question, initially I will explain once again. 80 liter was there. In that, milk to water was 4 is to 1. So we have found the composition of milk and water. And step 2, what they have, 20 liter mixture taken out. 20 liters. So if it is initially A is to B, if we take some part out of that mixture, it will be same ratio. So 20 liter means 4 by 5 into 20, and here milk to water will be 16 4. So we need to subtract this from in original. So 64 minus 16 is 48, and water will be 16 minus 4. Since we taken out, so we are subtracting. So 80, so we remove 20, so total mixture will be 60. So after that, what we did, 24 liter milk we added. So 24 liter milk means, after removing 20 liter, we added 24. So milk will be 48 plus 24 will be 72, and water will be 12. So here what ratio has came? Milk is 72, water is 12. So ratio 6 is to 1. So after that, what again we did? 28 liter mixture removed. So 28 liter total mixture was here 84. Since it is 80, it became 20, we removed. After that, again we added 24, means 60 plus 24 is 84. So in it was 84, so 28 liter we again removed. So 28 liter for means 6 by 7. So composition also 6 is to 1. So 6 by 7, 28 equal to, means it is 24, and 1 by 7 to notice 4. So how much it got? It removed 28. So 84 minus this step is not required, just I just explained it. 84 minus 28 will be 56. So composition will be same. So and the final, what will be after doing all, it has remained a 56, and the ratio will be also same here. So milk will be 6 by 7, 56. So it came 48. So water is 1 by 7 to 50. So at last, water is 8 liters and milk is 48 liters. So in the option they have asked for only water. So water is 8 liter. Yeah. Some steps are not required. You can skip for explanation purpose. I have just mentioned. So finally, milk will be 48. Water is 8 liters. So our option will be 8 liter. So this is the way to solve the case. If you have any doubts, you can comment in chat.